Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this quick video I'm going to check the Quadversity feature of the Eachine EV300/Skyzone Sky04X goggles and see how using two SteadyView/Rapidmix video receivers simultaneously compares to using a single immersion LC RapidFIRE video receiver. I have been using the Eachine EV300 goggles intermittently for quite a while now, and I can tell you that these goggles, which are made by Skyzone, are an excellent option in case you are in the market for a high-end set of analog goggles, since they pack plenty of features, their ergonomics is great, and they feature two high-resolution, very vivid OLED screens. When purchasing the Eachine EV300 or the Skyzone Sky04X goggles, you're getting a single SteadyView, which is also known as the Eachine RapidMix video receiver. This video receiver integrates similar technology like the immersion LC RapidFIRE, which means that it fuses two videos together which are received by the two individual video receivers in order to improve the picture quality, unlike the diversity feature, which just picks the video receiver with the best signal out of the two. The video fusion feature is not compatible with all video systems, and it can lead to a rolling image issue, which is very annoying. That's why shortly after being launched, Immersion LC added the classic mode to the RapidFIRE, which basically puts it in diversity mode in order to avoid the rolling image issue. On the first firmware version of the EV300 and the Sky04X, the video fusion mode, which Skyzone calls mix mode, was turned on all the time, and because some users experienced the rolling image issue, on the latest version the forced diversity option was added, and Skyzone are also working on a video receiver based solution, which hopefully is going to fix this issue. Anyway, according to my experience, when using a single SteadyView video receiver, it is inferior to the immersion LC RapidFIRE, and even though the RapidFIRE is compatible with the Sky04X, it is not very convenient because then the provided cover is not going to fit, and it's also a good opportunity to mention that you can't mix two video receivers together on the module base in order to create a Quadversity module, so in order to use the Quadversity feature, you have to use two SteadyView/Rapidmix video receivers simultaneously. This introduction brings us to the topic of the video, and now I'm going to show you a side-by-side comparison of the immersion LC RapidFIRE with the EV300 in Quadversity mode using two SteadyView video receivers. On each module, I used the FPV Long Pagoda and Relay CC triple feed patch antennas, and in order to make sure that the antennas are similarly tuned, I used the ROC SWR meter. In addition, in order to perform the test, I mounted the RapidFIRE on a FPV docking, placed it on the same level next to the EV300 goggles, and connected the goggles and the docking unit to FXT DVRs, which in my experience is an excellent method of capturing DVR footage, as the video interference doesn't generate frame drops, like for example in the Fatshark DVR. Finally, in this test, I used the AJRC Wind 5 Lite drone, which I recently built, and set the Zeus Nano video transmitter to 25 mW in order to try to push the video receivers to their boundaries. As for the test results, I think that in close range the RapidFIRE still wins. However, in long range the EV300 in Quadversity mode has an advantage, since on long range the antenna that is going to be used is probably the patch antenna, and using two patch antennas is going to give you a wider cover. Of course, you can use two patch antennas on the RapidFIRE, but then in turn you can use four patch antennas on the EV300, which is going to give you even a wider cover at long range. I'm going to wrap up this video with the side-by-side comparison footage, and by the way, I still need to perform a multipath test, so hopefully it's going to happen soon. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next videos, and goodbye.